This video is going to discuss the CourseLeaf dashboard and its features.
Go to www.ithaca.edu/registrar. Click on Registrar Services. Scroll down to Faculty Resources. Scroll down to CourseLeaf Dashboard. Click on the link below.
This will open the CourseLeaf dashboard and prompt you to log in using your Ithaca College NetPass credentials. Click on Go to New Dashboard. This is the new dashboard. Here you can see a series of tiles, 2 tabs, and a snapshot bar. One tab says Items, and the other says Workflow. The Items tab lists all the pages in the catalog. The tab you want to focus on is Workflow. If you click on the Workflow tab, it shows you items that are in your queue that need to be reviewed and approved. To review a proposal, click on it. This will open the proposal in a new window. Reviewers have the option to either edit, roll back, or approve the proposal. If there is an edit that the initiator of the proposal should make, reviewers can roll back the proposal. Rolling back a proposal sends it back to the previous person in the workflow. A comment is required to complete that step. If the proposal looks good, click on Approve. If approved, the proposal goes to the next step in the workflow. Click on the appropriate button at the top right of the page, depending on your choice. Next, let's focus on the tiles. We use Courses, Programs, and Miscellaneous. The Courses tile brings you to the Course Inventory Management System. Here, you will see all of the courses ever created at Ithaca College. To search for a course, type the course subject code and the course number. If you are unsure of the course number, you can do a wide search by typing in the subject code and then entering a %sign. Once you click search, all of the courses within that subject code will appear. Back on the CourseLeaf dashboard, click on Programs. This is the inventory for all of the programs ever created. Just like in the Courses tab, you can search for any program you want by entering the program title. If you are unsure of the entire program title, you can type as much as you remember and use a %sign. The final tab on the CourseLeaf dashboard IC uses is called Miscellaneous. This inventory is filled with all the general types of requests. These requests range from creating a brand new subject code to requesting a mass deactivation of courses. Just like the Courses and Programs inventory, you can search for the request and use a %sign if you are uncertain about the entire title. Just like the Courses and Programs inventory, you can search for the request and use a %sign if you're uncertain about the entire title. Finishing up in the CourseLeaf dashboard, you can edit your filters by closing and adding roles. To close a role, you can click on the X icon of the role you want to delete. To add a role, click on My Roles. Scroll through the list of roles to find the one you're looking for. If you closed one of your automated roles and want to bring it back but can't remember the title, refresh the page. It will pop up again. This concludes our overview of the CourseLeaf dashboard. If you have any questions about the CourseLeaf dashboard, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ithaca.edu or 607-274-3127. Also, check out our other CourseLeaf tutorial videos.